the reality of merging Vagaro accounts. So, can you merge Vagaro accounts? The straightforward answer, as of now, is no. Vagaro does not offer a direct feature to merge two existing, separate accounts into one unified account. I know, I can almost hear the collective sigh of disappointment. It's a feature many users have requested, and for good reason. However, understanding why this isn't a direct option is important. Vagaro's system is built around individual business entities. Each account is designed to be a distinct, self-contained unit with its own unique database for clients, services, staff, and financial records. The complexity of seamlessly combining two such independent databases without data conflicts, overlaps, or potential loss is immense. Imagine trying to merge two separate libraries, each with its own cataloging system and duplicate books. It would be a logistical nightmare. What are your options then? While a direct merge isn't on the table, that doesn't mean you're stuck in a digital quagmire forever. You have a few strategic options to consolidate your operations and achieve a similar level of efficiency. These options require a bit of planning and execution, but they can significantly streamline your workflow in the long run. Option 1. Consolidate to one primary account. This is often the most practical solution. You'll need to decide which of your existing Vagaro accounts will become your primary, master account. This decision should be based on factors like the account with the most established client base, the most comprehensive service list, or the one that's simply easier to manage long-term. Once you've chosen your primary account, the next step involves migrating data from the secondary accounts to the primary one. This is not an automated process, but Vagaro does provide tools for exporting various types of data. Exporting client data. You can typically export client lists, including contact information and basic notes, from your secondary accounts into a CSV file. This file can then be imported into your primary Vagaro account. Be meticulous during this process to avoid duplicates and ensure all critical client information is transferred. Exporting service lists. Similarly, you can export your list of services from the secondary account. You'll then need to manually re-enter or import these services into your primary account. Pay close attention to pricing, duration, and any specific service details. Staff profiles. If you have staff members on multiple accounts, you'll need to create their profiles in the primary account and assign them the appropriate services and schedules. Appointments. This is where it gets tricky. Past appointments cannot be directly merged or transferred. However, for future appointments, you'll need to reschedule them within the primary account or manually add them. It's crucial to communicate clearly with clients about any changes to their booking portal. Key considerations for consolidation. Communication is vital. Inform your clients from the secondary accounts about the change and provide clear instructions on how to book services through your new primary Vagaro account. Update your website, social media, and any booking links accordingly. Data scrubbing. Before importing, take the opportunity to clean up your data. Remove duplicate client entries, inactive clients, or outdated service offerings. Phased approach. Don't try to do everything at once. Migrate data in phases, starting with clients, then services, and finally staff. This minimizes disruption. Testing. After migrating, thoroughly test the new setup. Book a few dummy appointments, check client profiles, and ensure everything is functioning as expected. Option 2. Utilize Vagaro's multi-location feature, if applicable. If your situation involves different physical locations of the same business, Vagaro's multi-location feature might be a better fit than trying to merge disparate accounts. This feature is designed for businesses with multiple branches that operate under a single brand. With the multi-location feature, you have a central administrative account that can manage settings, staff, and reporting across all your locations. Each location still has its own distinct booking page and staff, but the overall management is unified. This is ideal for scenarios like a salon chain with several branches or a fitness studio with multiple studios. How it differs from merging. This isn't about combining two separate businesses into one, but rather about linking multiple locations of a single business under a shared management umbrella. If your two accounts are truly two distinct businesses with different branding and client bases, this option might not be suitable. However, if they are essentially different facets or locations of your core business, It's worth exploring with Vagaro support. Option 3. Starting fresh with a new account. Least recommended. While generally not ideal due to the loss of historical data in very rare circumstances, if both your existing accounts are small, disorganized, and contain a lot of outdated information, you might consider starting an entirely new Vagaro account from scratch. This would involve manually importing only the absolutely essential client data and rebuilding your services and staff profiles. This is a drastic measure and should only be considered as a last resort when the other options prove too complex or inefficient for your specific situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.